Do you know how we call in Spanish the day before yesterday? Or that expression we love to hear before we are going to eat? Stay with me, I will tell you. Hello, Global Family. I am Rosa Leon and you are in my channel to learn a second language easy and Peasy. Let's go to talk today about 20 Spanish words doesn't exist in English. Let's make blocks of 5 words. Okay, let's start. Anteayer, anteayer, the day before yesterday. Color pardo, color pardo, the color between gray and brown. Consuegro o consuegra, father or mother-in-law of your son. Desvelado, desvelada, unable to sleep. Empalagar, empalagar, tire you out. Entrecejo, entrecejo, space between the eyebrows. Estrenar, estrenar, used for the first time. Friolero, friolero, cold nature. Golpista, golpista, member of the coup. Lampiño, lampiño, smooth-faced. Madrugar, madrugar, get up early. Manco or manca, manco, a person with only one hand or maybe one arm or maybe one leg. Pavonearse, pavonearse, show off. Recogerse, recogerse, go home. Sobremesa, very important. Sobremesa, after dinner conversation. The last 5. Tardar, tardar, be late. Tuerto o tuerta, a person with only one eye. Vergüenza ajena, vergüenza ajena, feel embarrassing for somebody else's behavior when somebody else has a very bad behavior, so you feel vergüenza ajena. And the last 2, let me explain something about those. Tutear, tutear, address informally. It's because in Spanish we have 2 persons. We use the informal person tú and the formal person usted. So many times or sometimes when you are speaking with somebody else in a formal way, usted, that person can tell you, please just tuteame. Tutear, that means don't use the formal way with me. You can use the informal way. And the last one, buen provecho. Buen provecho. That means enjoy your meal. But for the people who speak Spanish, doesn't matter if it's coming from Spain or from any Latin American country, for us it's very important when we are having a meal, doesn't matter if it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, we try to say to everybody, and we want to hear as well, you say buen provecho. Enjoy your meal. I hope you enjoyed this video and also you learned something else about this beautiful language is Spanish. Remember, it's not only about the language, it's about the culture too. So these 20 words are different. You cannot find them in English, not only because the language, it's also because the culture, like a buen provecho or like a tuteame or like a vergüenza ajena. So those words are not only grammar Spanish, they are culture around Spanish. So if you are subscribed already, thank you so much. But if you are not, what are you waiting for? This is for free, this is fun, this is educational, we can continue learning together. So let's fix that. Subscribe here for free, easily, and also please watch this other video to continue learning Spanish together. Remember, I have also material I can share with you. See you soon the next time and practice, practice, practice. Remember, you need to practice all the time to learn and a second language. Bye bye, adiós, que estén bien.